we left Manila to head towards Sangat Island Resort. Our landing was a little bit rough, but it was okay for the most part. When we arrived in Coron, we were surprised by the way the local Filipinos were carrying our bags for us. We were actually expecting to carry our own bags, so we weren't really prepared for that. To actually get to the island resort, we had to arrive by speedboat. When we arrived at the resort, we were greeted by the staff and they gave us these Calamansi welcome drinks. We've never had Calamansi before, but they look like tiny limes and they kind of taste like it too. We were warned of the monkeys before arriving and we noticed they like to hang around the dining area the most. I saw them steal a mango. So one of the monkeys was eating something out of a packet and decided to litter on the ground. After we finished our welcome drinks, we headed over towards our private villa, which was separate from all of the other accommodation at the resort. To get to our villa, we had to walk across this bridge, which had a gate on it to stop anyone else from coming in. Aside from the gate, there was also another door that you could close behind you in the cave section of the path. This is where we arrived at our private villa, and our bags were brought to the private beach by boat. The villa itself had several levels, including a downstairs cave shower. The cave shower was really nice. It was cold water, but it was nice to shower amongst the rocks. This is Amber and she protects the resort from the monkeys. Upon entering the villa, you see a large queen bed and a smaller single bed. There are also 2 bathrooms. And there is a large bed upstairs, which is where my 3 siblings decided to sleep. And I decided to sleep in the single bed downstairs, but I had to bring my own mozzie net because it's the only bed that didn't have one. And finally, I had a weather window to fly my drone where it wasn't too windy. The only problem here was the dog really wanted to chase my drone. So now I'm going to take you flying. I hope you enjoyed that drone footage. During our stay, we also had a boat ride and took kayaks out to find a new snorkelling spot. I have heaps of underwater footage to show you, so now we're going to dive under. So the staff at the resort told us we'd be lucky to see turtles, but we saw a few. sitting on a beanbag floating in the ocean, that brings me to the end of the video.